playing here the 130 drop here. So if we get him to come down, RTY to come down somewhere here. All right. Well, it's kind of high levels, but you have this swing right here. Here, where he's at right now. Right there. If you break that, you come here. So you got that swing and you have this swing here. So you come to this swing. If you break here, we come in low, right? So we got our targets here and here. It's counter trend trade, right? With a counter trend trade, you take profit like here, right? On the first target. If you have more than one, you will take one off here, right? And then hold the other one for the next level. Let's see, pops up back here. It's counter trend, so but you got to cross over to the downside, trading below the 100% level and below the trend line. All right, so that's the trade, guy. So that's RTY, M2K, up $7. All right. I'm not gonna let RTY come back and beat me. I might just take the little profit, but he's dropping, so I'm gonna stay in it as long as possible, right? Quick scalp play, counter trend trade. Everybody else had a drop except in him. So we took it, was kind of late to it, but it's good enough to make some cash, right? If he breaks here, we come in low, all right? Up $60, $50, $40. You see, you have to take profits right here. All right, because what time is it? It's 1:40. You may just come right back, right? Got to drop, hit my level. Prior swing fail. You can come back and test it again. Make one more attempt, all right? One more attempt to break it, maybe. Now we gone negative. See how that worked, guys? I had to take it there. Take the $65 on the out. You know what I mean? So see if they're going to try to test it one more time. One more time. Test it. Test it one more time. Come on. Break, you sucker. One more time. I think that's it, guy. $70 done. All right, so came back again, tested, still counter trend. So we could have played that twice, am I right? Yeah, I take it off. Yeah, we could have. Well, the E-mini, the micro I have, the E-mini, I took it off. All right, so you get $65, $70. All right. Now if he break there, he falls here. All right. If he break here, he falls here. Still got green dots. It's a counter trend trade. Cumulative delta need to be on your side for that to happen. Everybody's pivoting. You got downside here, right? So the micro might make us some money, or we could go back in RTY. Look at the micro. So it's popping up here back. But if he breaks, he come in low. All right? See, can't get past here. Trying, but he can't get past there. See how the prior swings work, all right? They work as support. See that a mass shooting in San Jose, California, at the shipyard railway yard where they repair the trains and so forth. Crazy. Mass shooting every day in America. Crazy stuff. Okay, here we're gonna make one more attempt. We're breaking it, guys. Let's see if I could get him again. I got it. I gotta monitor it. Bad entry. Let me look at the M2K. He's coming down. All right. Come, we got a swing here. So what's gonna happen? I try to pop this swing. All right. And try to come down. Are you gonna pop up off of this swing? But he's in a downtrend, so maybe he break the swing and come lower. All right? Maybe. What we like to see is a red dot, the confirmation of a red dot. All right? And then we would get a follow through. All right? Confirmation of a red dot, follow through. Is in a downtrend. All right? Not like that. So this is not working. I have to take this trade off and get back in. All right? That was not a good entry. Hold it for a little longer because he got a red dot now. All right? So he's going to pop up, take some heat, and then he should come down back. All right? So it's not a counter trend trade anymore. It's a trend trade. All right? So you need to come back, fail here, come back, test this, and drop. Okay? That's what that look like. M2K. If you try to break above that line, I get out of this guy, right? $15, $20 loss. You could always get back in, okay? Trying to pivot here, right? If he violated the cloud, the trade is over. If he close above the cloud, then the trade is over. All right? Not for the micro, but for the E-mini. So he break above the cloud, he come back and he's at the cloud. So we don't need it to trade above the cloud, correct? It's in a downtrend, right? But it's trying to pivot. See that? Clockwork, bro. Clockwork. See how that works? That's clockwork. That's like textbook trading, right? Bam, bam, bam. See that? Can't get any better than that, bro. Textbook trading. Now, if you break the swing, we get a pop. If not, I'm not going to make much money in this micro, right? On the E-mini. The micro, yes. E-mini, you're going to try one more time. Look at the micro. E-mini, going to try one more time. Kind of busy here. Oh, the ADX is 18. That's why you're getting this nonsense here. All right? You're getting this nonsense here, bro. That's it, the problem. Look at this. That's why. Still in the game, though. Got red dots. Choppy now. See, ADX is 18. And this guy volume is low here. See that? That's why you got to grab your profit when you got it, am I right? So still a trend trade, am I right? But look at the price action. Might come back and test the low one more time. The dots are parallel, so it's choppy. But it's choppy with long candles, am I right? Whippy candles. Follow? Wow, nearly 8 people got shot. Yeah, no real trend. No, because the ADX is 17, bro. That's why you have the choppy action. But it's in a downtrend, correct? So
this is still active, ongoing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to route this over to our Sheriff Floyd Smith, who will speak very briefly on this incident, and then we're going to move on to the next person from there. I'm sorry, say that again. So the 8 victims is 8 victims, including, and there's a 1 suspect as well, so that's 9 altogether. So there's 9. 8 victims, there's 8 casualties from victims, and then 1 suspect casualty at this point as well. So the building that they're at is 101 West Younger Avenue. It's a Valley Transportation Authority hub center. It's a control center, and that's where they're at this point. The fire, we're still ongoing, and we're trying to figure out exactly, you know, if there's connection or any information at that point. So we're still trying to gather that information. I don't know. I'm trying to get that information at this point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to route this over to Sheriff Floyd Smith. She's going to speak very briefly. Okay.
First of all, this is an active investigation, and there are many, many components.
okay, we got a key retracement.
We mentioned the Victim Unification Center. It's in the building right next to you. Please have respect.
Really choppy. Come back and test this again. All right. If he breaks in now, we got a key retracement. So you need to break here and then come down, bro. Then come lower, am I right? So look, I'm up $25. $30. I'm still in the trade. $40, am I right? If he can't close above below here, then I'll take it off, am I right? Got the candle gonna close now. Candle gonna close now. And now we got a swing. See how that works? We got a swing and it break right down. See the guy? So we up $80, $70 there on a scalp play. Long, big candle. So what you do here? I take my profit and I'm done. Correct? Get $80 in that. Twice we trade it, am I right? And now we'll have M2K and we have $17. He could still come lower, am I right? But you could book your profit, am I right? Could book your profit here on M2K, you know, and you make some money, right? What you had, M2K or you had RTY? Okay. M2K should go a little lower, right? So RTY, I took it out because, all right, it's become a trend trade. That's why I stay in it, right? So, but that's good enough. That's coming into 2 o'clock, so I take that off and finish with it. Now he's getting some sell volume. Then now he's gonna hit my target after I got out. Right? See? Now he hit my target. Had 5 of them. Good, man. That's good. Now he's gonna hit my target here, right? So if he comes to the value area, it's permanently over. Yeah, I won't look, but that was a nice trade. Start of the counter trend, hit my target, but I'm out already, right? Yeah, it's now going down, yeah. Let's see how that worked, right? Got up, counter trend, take a little heat, came up back. I should have add, but I couldn't really confirm the trend, so I couldn't add. Right? I didn't have any good confirmation. So that's why I didn't add. To the E-mini I'm talking about. After I put the E-mini on, I didn't add to my micros. You follow? If I didn't put it on a micro, then I would add to my E-minis. Hit my level, bounce right off of it, right? The level is a simple level. All right. You look back for the prior swing. See it? 2 touches here. One here, one here. All right. So you hit them both, bounce off of it, and then you have these 2 levels here. 2 touch points here. High and low on a double bottom. So that worked out nice. Okay, we sit back and look for another trade, guys. It was a simple, quick trade. Into 2 o'clock, all right? Now we hit the VPOC here and the level, so I won't do nothing here. Okay, guys, that's it. Look for the next trade.